What is going on, guys? Artist Touch Painting here. As always, your favorite artist, Jesse. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, what we like to do is help painters grow their businesses and help the do-it-yourselfer get the job done right. Today, I'm on my way to a job where I need to do some garage doors. It's a set of two. They're gonna go white. As of right now, they're an off-white creamish color. But I'm gonna try something new for you guys today, and I'm gonna spray them. Normally, we would cut in all the bevels, cut around the door, systematically open it up and roll it with a low nap roller sleeve. But today I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm really getting addicted to my HVLP sprayer. It's the Titan Cap Spray 105. And I'm starting to find more and more situations where I can use it, and I would prefer to use it. Now, like I said, I've never used this before on a garage door, so it's gonna be new to me. If this is something you're interested in seeing, stick around and look for the outcome. All right, guys, here we are at the client's house. We have two garage doors that I'm gonna spray with the Titan Cap Spray 105. I got that bad boy right here, ready to go. Hopper, cap, cup, whatever you wanna call it, is loaded up with emerald exterior. These are the doors that we're working on. Everything is masked off, cleaned up, ready to go. So we're ready for paint. Gonna go ahead and get that sprayed on so you guys can see it. We got the camera set up, ready for you guys to catch the full wide view of the doors getting sprayed. And I'm gonna have my new associate over there with my phone recording the close-ups for you. So stay tuned to see how I spray a door.